Welcome, and thank you for joining our Certificate 3 in Hospitality information session. Today, we will outline the qualification, learning outcomes, training environment, key equipment and processes, assessment requirements, and industry pathways. This session is designed to help you understand what to expect and decide whether hospitality is the right pathway for you. The Certificate 3 in Hospitality course is a 6-month, nationally recognized qualification focused on practical, job-ready skills. Students complete 15 units and gain hands-on experience for employment across restaurants, cafes, hotels, bars, and a range of hospitality service environments. Entry to the course requires basic literacy and numeracy skills to read recipes and complete simple calculations, as well as basic computer literacy. Learners must be able to participate in online video conferencing sessions and submit assessments using digital platforms and systems as part of the course requirements. You must complete 15 units to achieve the Certificate 3 in Hospitality. The qualification includes 6 core units that cover essential industry skills and knowledge, plus 9 elective units that allow you to develop specialized capabilities aligned to your interests, training pathway, and intended employment outcomes upon course completion. During the course, you will use key hospitality equipment, including grinders, espresso machines, cocktail mixers, dishwashers, and bain-maries. You will also develop practical skills such as greeting and assisting customers, taking orders, carrying and serving food and beverages, setting up and clearing service areas, preparing and serving alcoholic beverages, and preparing espresso and other coffees. For each of the 15 units in the course, you are required to complete both knowledge-based assessments and practical assessments to demonstrate your skills and understanding. Where required, opportunities for reassessment are available to support your learning and ensure you can successfully meet the competency requirements of the qualification. Each unit of competency typically includes 2 assessment tasks. Assessment Task 1 involves a quiz or a series of short answer questions to assess underpinning knowledge. Assessment Task 2 requires direct observation of your practical skills in the training restaurant, allowing you to demonstrate competency in real or simulated hospitality tasks. Our teachers bring many years of industry experience, with several currently working in hospitality. Classes typically include 10 to 15 students, creating a supportive learning environment that encourages strong interaction, personalized guidance, practical skill development, and meaningful engagement between students and teachers throughout the course. Students learn through blended learning, combining online study, video conferencing classes, tutorials, and practical sessions on campus. Theory is delivered via live online classes or independent reading, while hands-on practical classes are conducted on campus to develop industry-ready skills in a supported, structured learning environment that supports engagement and flexible participation. To complete theory assessments, students must attend online video conferencing classes and undertake required online reading activities. To complete practical assessments, students are required to attend scheduled on-campus practical classes, where they demonstrate hands-on skills in a supervised environment in line with assessment and competency requirements. On completion of your hospitality certificate, you may gain employment as a food and beverage attendant, front desk receptionist, front office assistant, function attendant, espresso coffee machine operator, function host, gaming attendant, guest service agent, housekeeper, restaurant host, senior bar attendant, waiter, or in related hospitality roles. You may also choose to continue your studies through further training at TAFE or pursue higher education at university. Kengan Institute is highly regarded by industry for the quality of its training and strong employer connections. This reputation was recently recognized through winning the Large Training Provider of the Year award, reflecting the Institute's commitment to excellence, innovation, and delivering job-ready graduates across vocational education and training programs. If you have any questions, please contact our administration team for assistance. They can provide information about enrollment, course delivery, timetables, fees, and support services. The team is available to help clarify requirements, guide next steps, and ensure you receive accurate advice throughout your inquiry and application process promptly.